أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم وعلى أبصارهم غشوة ولهم عذاب عظيم. These are two ayat of Surah Baqarah, ayat number 6 and ayat number 7. These two ayat revealed just for those people who throughout their life will remain unable to accept Islam, and they will remain disbelievers throughout the life, and when they will leave this world, and they will leave in the form of disbelievers in the status of kuffar. So Abu Jahl and Abu Lahab, even they were the relative of Prophet ﷺ, but they were disbelievers. And these type of people throughout the world, up to the day of judgment, they will come and they will have the same situation that have been expressed in these two ayat. So Allah said in ayat number 6, Innal lazina, inna, indeed, no doubt, allazina, those who, kafaru, disbelieved, sawaun, is equal or same, alayhim, for them, a anzartahum, whether you warn them, or lam tunzirhum, or you not warn them, la yu'minun, they will never believe. So in this ayat Allah said, Innal lazina kafaru, no doubt, indeed those people who disbelieved, Sawa'un alayhim, it is equal for them, a anzartahum, whether you warn them, am lam tunzirhum, or you are not to warn them, la yu'minun, they will never believe. So even if a preacher is just to go to tell them the reality of Islam, what is real Islam, believing in Allah, believing in Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and all about the Islamic uh, faith and Islamic deeds. So those people, they will never believe, and they will die in the same status. Why? The reason. Because Allah said, Khatamallahu. Khatama means seal or stamp. Khatamallahu. Allah has set a seal ala qulubihim, on their hearts. Their hearts are under the seal. Wa ala sam'ihim. Wa ala, and on sam'ihim. Sam'i mean the power of hearing, power of listening. The ears, they are blocked. Wa ala absarihim, and on their vision, the looking power, the seeing power, the eyes. Geshawa, Geshawa mean veil or cover. Walahum azabun azim. Walahum, and for them, azabun, the punishment, azim, the greatest one, the top one the greatest punishment for them. So now Allah explained those people why they are not to believe even if you warn them or if you are not to warn them. So it's same for them. Khatamallah, because their hearts, Khatamallah ala qulubihim, because there is seal on their heart. So hearts have been sealed. They are not to accept anything. First of all, look here, we can see how many body organs are described in this ayat 3. One is heart, other is ears, and other is eyes. So we can get knowledge mostly just from other people, just listening, just hearing. So we can get knowledge. And those people who are disbelievers and will stay disbelievers up to the death, so those people Allah expressed that their ears, they are sealed and their power of listening is blocked. So even if they can listen, that will go outside, they will not, that will not enter into their heart, and their mind will not accept and mind will not cooperate with the heart, so heart will not certify that one, so they will not be Muslim. So the wa'ala absarihim, it means their eyes, even they can see the different signs of Allah, different signs of Islamic reality, they will not be able to understand the reality because their hearts are under the cover, their hearts are blocked, their eyes can see but is a cover there. The reality never comes through the eyes to the heart. So this way, eyes are blocked, eyes are covered, eyes are just having a seal on them, so they can see something, but that will not have any impression, any expression, any type of influence on their heart. So this way, their heart will not be in a position to certify, because Iman is the name of three things. First of all, we have to believe confirmation, and confirmation comes through the tongue. But tongue will express when mind is accepting something. So mind only accept when we can listen something and can see something. Then after listening is like a one witness and the seeing is the other witness. When two witness comes to the mind, mind accept that, and its message goes to the heart, and heart certify that thing. So when a person certified, then iman start. So when the hearing or listening is not coming into the mind, and after even watching is not accepting by the mind, so automatically then the heart will not certify, because that has the same situation, the both ears, eyes and heart are sealed. So those people, they will never accept, even a preacher goes to them throughout the life, like from when they understand something, from the understanding age up to the end of the age. If a preacher is just to go again and again to tell them, they will never understand, they will never accept, because there are three organs which are just to receive the reality, those are blocked, those are sealed: heart, eyes and ears. So this way, for them, there is the greatest punishment at the day of judgment. So they will have a suffering like when they leave this world. So we must be careful, because sometime a Muslim, when is doing some bad deed or sinful thing, so one black spot comes on the heart, and when is doing other bad deed, then other black spot comes on the heart. So this way, if a person is not doing tawbah astaghfar, the black dots become so much that heart becomes black. So black heart mean a sealed heart. So then heart will never accept anything from the eyes, from the ears. So the problem is starting. Then the person will go on in this category. So try, when some type of little or something sinful thing happen, so try to make tawbah astaghfar, so that cleaning process must be inside the heart is very important, because just like we when we are just to eat food, we have to clean the plate, then we have to put something to eat. So we have to look our heart, because when we are going in prayers before Allah, Allah is just to watch our heart. So heart, if it is clean, the angels they write down good deed with ikhlas, with reality, with the reward. But if our heart is not clean, then automatically the worship will not be accepted. And in Islamic or Quranic teaching, the heart that is black, not accepting anything, even from ears and eyes. And Allah said in Quran, those people they are dead, but look like living with other people, but actually they are dead people on the world, and those people are these one, like expressed in this ayat, that their understanding power, their conceiving power, like through their heart, is not in a position to accept the reality, so they can't get in faith, so automatically they will be the people having greatest punishment at the day of judgment. Allah save us from this type of hardness, and make our heart so much soft, and give us tawfiq of tawbah astaghfar every time. So inshallah we should pray, and we should pray regularly our five prayers, and we must look after our hakukullah and hukukul ibad, inshallah.